Can you put those in there? Whoa, safe. Good job. We'll look at it in a second. We got more. Good job. You made it. Here. We got lots more that needs to go in there, Greg. Can you put those in there, please? Oh, good. What about this stuff? What about your PJs? Can you put them in? Oh, yeah, good shot. You made it. All right. Good one. What about your Spider-Man? Don't put your Passy in there. Oh, yucky. Okay, I'm going to put these in there. Okay.